Hey guys, welcome back to my garden. Today I wanted to talk to you about Domaine de Chantilly, which is a Delbard rose I am currently growing in my Zone 5A garden. This is a rose that really surprised me. I was completely blown away by the fragrance of this rose when I first smelled the blooms. So I purchased this as a baby own root rose from My Black Thumb Nursery, who grows down in North Carolina, and she ships across the United States. And not only is this rose like super vigorous, like this is year, 2. So it grows really quickly. And it does a great job staying alive in our harsh winters here in upstate New York. Sometimes we can get down to like -20, -30 with wind chill. And this rose comes back quickly. It grows in amazing sprays, and the color on this rose really kind of depends on the weather, but it always has like a peachy undertone. Sometimes it's like white and peach, sometimes it's like pink, peach, and yellow. It's really gorgeous. It's densely packed with petals. Like the petal count is crazy. And it repeats well, so I never see this shrub without blooms, which I appreciate. I don't really cut on this rose. I remember the first year when I cut it, it didn't have that great of a base life. One of my goals for 2026 is to cut it and validate base life. So I will let you know. This is a pretty healthy shrub. I try to have a no spray garden, and I don't have to deal with like a lot of black spot with this one. The white stuff you're seeing on the leaves is really just deer spray to try to keep them from coming and nibbling on all of my rosebuds, because they got one of them on this side. It grows typically in sprays, and occasionally you'll have singles, but usually there are massive sprays. Sometimes the single blooms tend to have nodding heads, probably just from the weight of the bloom. With all those petals, they're pretty heavy. They're super densely packed, but my plant is also just kind of in its infancy stages of life. This plant is no more than 2, maybe 3 years old, but I'm pretty sure it's only 2. Let me know if you have any questions about Domaine de Chantilly rose, or if you have any recommendations on other Delbard rose varieties that I should grow. I would love to hear it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll tune in for the next one.